for all of you VX owners with the TR1, they don't even mention in your owner's manual that you have a fuse box. But I was epoxying my transducer in down there, my through the hull transducer, and I saw the wires, and if there's wires, there's voltage. If there's voltage, there's fuses. So looks like it's mounted on the front of the engine here. Let me see if I can get the light down. You can maybe see it. Mounted right there. And of course, it's got the cover that doesn't tell you exactly what the fuses and breakers are for, but it does tell you what amperage it needs to be. So it's better than nothing. Anyway, so if you were looking for your fuses for your VX's TR1 engine, there's your dinner.